Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is PJ. So guys, inside this video I want to explain to you reason why phone strategy does not work. Why is it that phone strategy is always fail? So I'm going to tell you some key points that you need to understand about phone strategy and phone setup, trading boom and crash index, trading cryptocurrency, trading currency pair. Why phone strategy used to fail in this video. So I'm going to highlight some reason for you. So for example now, number one reason why phone strategy used to fail is that there is no 100% accurate in phone strategy. So if you have any setup on your phone and someone is promising you that this particular setup that you have on this window one is 100% accurate, believe me guys, it is a lie. There is no strategy that is 100% accurate, and that's the reason why phone strategy always fail. That's the reason why phone strategy always fail. Okay, let me tell you the reason why phone strategy will not work. So for example now, this is boom 1000 on 1 minute time frames. If you check this thing very well, you will see that I have another indicator here which I set up here to take my trade. And what I'm going to be respecting in this indicator is that anytime it moves above the 150 level, I begin to set down, and anytime my trade go below the 150 level, I'm going to be taking my entry. So let me set up something here so that you can also understand. So let me say that I want to add relative strength index into this particular window one. I want to explain why strategy used to fail for you guys so that you can understand the reason why. So let me say, okay, I have a setup here, and inside this my setup I'm going to add my moving average of 20 to hit, which will make it like this. You can see what happened here. You can see what is happening here. So let me say that, okay, I want to trade this particular indicator. Let me close the first indicator so that you guys can see it very well. Let me close the first one. So you can see what is happening here now. A strategy will tell you that, okay, anytime you have a trade above this 80 level, that is the right time to set down the trade. That the trade is going to come on a downtrend. And anytime you have your indicator on a buy zone now, on a 20 level now, that is when to catch up a spike. But guys, do you know that many things like this indicator used to fail most of the time? Let me use this one as an example now. As you can see here, we have our trade on the 80 above 80. If we enter our trade at this particular level, you will see that we can set down the market, and let's keep on checking it. You can see another confirmation here that this is where to enter for spike. But what can you see now? You can see that the market keep on selling down. You can see that the market does not respect this particular support very well, the way the indicator instructs us here. You can see what happened here. So you can see it keep on going down. You see, it does not respect the indicator. So that's why I said, if anybody promise you that this particular indicator is 100% accurate, then it is a lie. 100% accurate does not work on phone. Any strategy you set up on your phone does not work 100%. You can only see 50%, you can only see 60%, you can only see 70%, you can only see 80%. But guys, this does not work 100% on mobile phone. So that's the number one reason you have to understand, and that's the one reason majority of the phone strategy do fail time to time. So, and then the second thing that you need to understand, the second reason is that our buy and support level, our phone strategy does not respect our support and resistance level. You can see on mobile phone now, you find it so difficult for you to quickly see. Even if you zoom it to the last level, you find it so difficult to quickly identify the support level and the resistance level, which is always so difficult for people to use it on a mobile phone. So guys, so to check the support and the resistance level on mobile phone, it always getting harder. So by the look of this now, like for example now, if we have the zoom level like this, you can decide that your support level is this and your resistance level is this, but that is it on your mobile phone. But unknown to you, that is more than that. You know to you that we still have more depend on your zoom level. So that's why to identify your supports and the resistance level on mobile phone is always difficult for you guys, no matter the time frames that you set it on. It's always what? It's always difficult, guys. So for example now, by checking this now, you will think maybe this is your what? This is your support level. This is your resistance level. You will think the trade is moving between this range. But I know to you that when you zoom it, you will have something more than what? More than that. When you zoom it to adjust it, you have something more than that. You see, you have something more than that. So the trade have already started the downtrend at this particular level. You see, you have more than that. So that is the reason why phone strategy always keep on fail. So the third things is that to analyze on mobile phone is not easy. It always gets difficult. So there's no way for you to analyze on mobile phone, because if you think you want to try it on mobile phone, then you will check and you will discover that everything you are checking is not accurate. For example, now let me say I choose to analyze something like this. I choose to analyze something like this. Maybe I have another. So you will see that this does not look like like a complete setup. So that's why you have to check it very well before you analyze anything on your mobile phone. You can see if we keep on checking it now, you will discover that this just look like a normal random candlestick that you just draw anyhow. So you can get a very good accurate result by analyzing on mobile phone. So that's one of the reasons why phone strategy keep on fail, guys. So guys, to get a particular video of this, kindly subscribe to my channel and do well to follow our Telegram group. Thanks, guys.